So that might be people not wanting to believe that the effect of COVID is long-lasting.
Okay, 2 final short questions to put you on the spot. What do you believe is the most influential psychological factor that varies investor decisions?
So I seriously think it is confirmation bias, because it's something that I've seen so prevalent, and why I gave the Gresham lecture last year on critical thinking. I could have done that about any bias, but why I saw it in confirmation bias is I feel that is just particularly prevalent in any decision. Even in COVID, right? If you're somebody who wants there to be another lockdown, you're going to latch onto any findings showing that we need a lockdown. If you're somebody who opposes the lockdown, you can easily find a study finding the opposite. And in today's big data world, you can always find evidence to support whatever viewpoint that you want to support, and that's why I think confirmation bias is a particular problem.
Great. Lots of people at home scribbling down that. This is the big one.
Okay.
This is the big one. What is your best advice for students investing in the stock market?
I think it's to recognize the fact that you are not an expert in these things, because you are trading against professional fund managers who are every day looking at these companies and talking to management. And so this is even for me why I, as a professor of finance, you might hope that I know something about finance, but I also recognize that I just don't have the same access to information or the same access to management, or actually the same time to invest. So I will very rarely invest in single stocks. Instead, I will invest in mutual funds, which will invest across a range of stocks. And those might be based on themes that I think are based on mispricings in the stock market. And this is actually going to be linked to my next lecture, which is on hidden investment opportunities. So there's certain factors which might be mispriced by the stock market because they are certain things that psychology overlooks. And one of the factors is intangible factors like employee satisfaction. So for about 13 years, I've been investing in a mutual fund called the Parnassus Endeavour Fund, which invests in companies that treat their workers well. But because there's many investors who think, well, a company that treats their workers well, that's a fluffy company that's distracted from the bottom line, they don't fully recognize the importance of ethical treatment of employees, and so those companies are too cheap, and that fund has performed very well over the past 13 years.
Well, that was a wonderful tee-up for your next lecture, which we all look forward to.
Right, so thank you so much to everybody for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing some of you at the next one on hidden investment opportunities. Thank you.